Hey, what are you thinking about these days?
Honestly, I think a lot about my future.
Really? What kind of future plans do you have?
I want to improve my English and find a better job.
That sounds like a smart goal. Why English?
Because English can open many doors in life.
I completely agree with you.
What about you? Do you have any future plans?
Yes, I want to start my own business someday.
Wow, that sounds exciting. What kind of business?
Maybe an online business or something educational.
That's a great idea. I think online jobs are growing fast.
Yes, and people are learning new skills every day.
Do you think success is easy?
No, not really. I think success takes time and hard work.
I agree. Nothing good comes easily.
Exactly. Step by step, we can reach our goals. Sometimes I feel nervous about the future. Why do you feel nervous?
Because life is not always predictable.
That's true, but worrying too much doesn't help.
You are right. I should stay positive.
Absolutely. A positive mindset changes everything.
Do you think learning English is difficult?
Sometimes, yes, but practice makes perfect.
I try to practice every day.
That's the best way to improve.
I also watch English videos online.
That's very helpful for listening skills.
Do you think English can change someone's life?
Definitely. It can create more job opportunities.
I hope I can speak English fluently one day.
You will. Just don't give up.
Thank you for encouraging me.
No problem. We all need motivation sometimes.
What country would you like to visit in the future?
I would love to visit Canada someday.
Why Canada?
Because I hear it's peaceful and full of opportunities.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I want to visit the UK and improve my English there.
That would be an amazing experience.
Yes. I hope my dream comes true.
Dreams can come true if we work hard.
I believe that too.
What is your biggest dream in life?
I want to have a stable job and support my family.
That's a beautiful goal.
Thank you. Family is very important too.
Same here. Family gives us strength.
Sometimes I feel afraid of failure.
Everyone feels that way sometimes.
Really? Even confident people?
Of course. The important thing is to keep going.
I like that advice.
Never stop believing in yourself.
I'll remember that.
Good things take time.
Yes. Patience is important in life.
Do you think life will be different in 5 years?
Yes. I think many things will change.
What do you want to change first?
I want to improve my confidence.
Confidence is very important for success.
Yes. Sometimes I feel shy speaking English.
That's normal. Confidence grows with practice.
I hope so. I want to speak naturally.
You are already improving, little by little.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
What skills do you want to learn in the future?
I want to learn computer skills and communication.
Those are very useful skills.
What about you? What skill would you like to improve?
I want to improve my business and leadership skills.
That sounds interesting.
I believe learning never stops.
Yes, every day is a chance to grow.
Exactly. Small progress is still progress.
Sometimes people compare themselves to others.
Yes, but everyone has a different journey.
You are right. We should focus on ourselves.
That's the best way to move forward.
Do you save money for the future?
Yes. I try to save a little every month.
That's smart planning.
What would you do if you had a lot of money?
I would help my family and continue my education.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you. What about you?
I would start my dream business.
I hope one day it becomes successful.
Thanks. I hope so too.
What keeps you motivated?
My dreams and my family motivate me.
That's inspiring.
What motivates you?
I want a better future for myself.
That's a strong reason to keep going.
Do you ever feel like giving up?
Sometimes, but I remind myself to stay strong.
Staying positive is not always easy.
True, but a positive attitude helps a lot.
What advice would you give to young people?
I would say, never stop learning.
That's good advice.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes teach us lessons.
Exactly. Failure can make us stronger.
I like talking about goals and dreams.
Me too. It gives me motivation.
Do you think hard work always pays off?
Most of the time, yes. Patience is important too.
I believe patience changes everything.
One day, we will look back and feel proud.
I really hope so.
Keep believing in yourself.
I will. Thank you for the encouragement.
You're welcome. The future looks bright.
Yes, let's keep moving forward.
Have you ever thought about learning a new language?
Yes, I would love to learn another language after English.
What is one thing you really want to achieve this year?
I want to become more confident when speaking English.
Do you think good habits are important for success?
Absolutely. Small daily habits can make a big difference.
What time do you usually plan your day?
I usually plan my day in the morning with a to-do list.
If you could change one thing about your life, what would it be?
I would improve my time management skills.
What kind of people inspire you the most?
People who never give up and work hard inspire me.
Do you think traveling helps people grow?
Yes, traveling teaches us about different cultures and ideas.
What would be your dream job in the future?
I would love to have a job where I can help people.
How do you stay focused on your goals?
I remind myself why I started and stay consistent.
What message would you give to your future self?
Never stop learning and always believe in yourself.